I don't see any fishes.
I know.
I see a little tiny fish.
Let's go.
There used to be a bunch of fish up there.
Where you want to go? Little bridge. Yeah, I'm recording all this, right?
No.
Yeah, I am. It's the one-day assembly, Shauna.
Oh, wait a minute. No,
What are you doing here?
Chris, I didn't know you came out here.
Yeah, remember?
No,
Back
I
in
don't remember.
back in Citibank days.
Yeah, but I don't remember these days. I remember Citibank days. What are you doing? Put that down.
I'm recording because Brooks didn't show up. You know Regina's here.
This is for Brooks.
You know Regina's here.
Where?
Inside eating. Her,
I didn't see
her and her 10-foot husband.
Yeah, tell Brooks. Shame.
He said he fell asleep.
That's no excuse. I got in my house at 1 o'clock this morning and woke up bright and early to get here. No excuse. No.
So yeah, I got hired on. So you're gonna start receiving, I guess, those checks for recommending me.
Oh well,